In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit faster with the new Transcribe tool in Davinci Resolve 19. This feature is a game changer for content creators looking to streamline their editing workflow. By the end of this video, you'll be able to dramatically reduce your editing time with just a few clicks. First off, let's dive into Davinci Resolve, the powerhouse editing software from Blackmagic Design. If you haven't done so already, make sure your software is up to date to access this latest feature. Once you've launched Davinci Resolve, you're greeted by the project manager. This is where all your projects live. Choose the project you want to work on by simply clicking on it. If you're starting from scratch, you might want to create a new project. But for today, let's assume you're picking up from where you left off. After selecting your project, you'll be taken to the edit page, which is essentially the heart of Davinci Resolve, packed with tools for crafting your video. This is where the magic happens and where you'll do the bulk of your editing. Now, to make the most of the new Transcribe tool, locate it within the edit page. For those who might be unfamiliar, the edit page is laid out with a timeline at the bottom, your media pool on the left, and various editing tools scattered throughout the interface. Now comes the part you've been waiting for. Let's use the Transcribe feature. Look for the Transcribe button, which should be prominently displayed among your editing tools. Once you click on it, Davinci Resolve will start transcribing the audio from your timeline into text. This functionality is incredibly helpful for editors who need to navigate through hours of footage, allowing you to find and jump to specific parts of your video based on the spoken word. This can be a massive time saver when you're looking for that particular quote or trying to piece together a story from interviews or dialogues. The transcription not only appears as text but also links back to your timeline, providing a seamless way to cross-reference and ensure that your cuts and edits are spot on. Remember, the more clearly your audio is recorded, the more accurate the transcription will be, so ensure your source material is of high quality to get the best results. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to edit your videos using the new Transcribe tool in Davinci Resolve 19. This tool is yet another innovation from Blackmagic Design, aimed at making the editing process as intuitive and hassle-free as possible. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding content creator, this feature is sure to enhance your workflow. Now that you know how to use the Transcribe tool, go ahead and try it on your next project. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort you save, leaving you more room for creativity and less time bogged down by tedious editing tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.